Utica Avenue. This is a number 4, Lexington Avenue, Woodlawn Express.
Auto mode.
This stop, Borough Hall. Change here for the number 2, 3, 5, R, C, and F trains.
Here you go, buddy.
The next stop will be 14th Street, Union Square. This stop, 14th Street, Union Square. Change here for the number 5, 6, L, N, Q, R, and W trains. This stop, 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. Change here for Metro North trains on the upper level. This stop, 59th Street, Bloomingdale's. This stop, 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. Change here for the B and D trains on the lower level. Next stop, Burnside Avenue. This stop, Burnside Avenue. This is a number 4, Lexington Avenue, Woodlawn Express. Please do not block the doors. The next stop will be Fordham Road. This stop, Fordham Road. This stop, Woodlawn. This is a number 4, Lexington Avenue, Woodlawn Express. Next stop, Utica Avenue. This stop, Utica Avenue. This stop, Borough Hall, New York City Transit Museum. This stop, 14th Street, Union Square. Change here for the number 5, 6, L, N, Q, R, and W trains.
There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy.
Please stand clear of the closing doors. stop will be 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. This stop, 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. Change here for the number 5, 6, and 7 trains and the shuttle to Times Square. Please be careful of the gap between the train and the platform.
Here you go, buddy.
The next stop will be 59th Street. This stop, 59th Street. Change here for the number 5, 6, F, N, R, and W trains. The next stop will be 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. This stop, 161st Street, Yankee Stadium. Change here for the B and D trains on the lower level.